Let's go, we recording. We recording. Get this on. Wait, let me move, nigga. Get the fuck out the way. Move, let me see. Oh wait, I'm talking about the AC. Yo, keep scandal. Fuck out the way, ass muncher. Put the fucking AC on. Chill. Nigga is dead, nigga. Win. He's not, alright. Got that nigga. What the fuck is he? See this though? Do you see this? Yo. Did you see? Nigga didn't even get on the boat. Yo. He threw up on the show. Yo. Nigga didn't even get on the boat. Yo, Derek, what happened, bro? That nigga Derek got hella 30. What happened, bro? Got fucked up. What happened, bro? Look, Derek, come on. Let's go back. Come on. Yo, listen, I can wait 2 points. My nigga that got fucked up. Get him. Yo. Yo, you good, D? Yo, watch it. This is SmackTV.com. Yeah, she said Chia. Say hi, Chia. That's your future boo right there. Yo, you already know, yo. She fresh, don't give me the number, but I'm gonna get that number soon, though. Right? Right, Chia? Don't worry, I'm gonna give it to you, alright? I'm gonna get it. You gonna give it to me, I'm gonna text her. She gotta respond.